Let's go to work. Hello. How are you?
Oh, okay.
Just okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, you wanted the radiator gone.
So I had to fill it twice, actually.
So you put it
90 degrees. And when I got all the bits, and then when I come back, I switched it off.
you need to hang that.
Nope.
Yeah, you'd think I did, but...
In the water.
Yep. But it's full of water with caps on it, so it won't go anywhere.
I can't believe it.
Essential for clearing windows, not glassing.
Fantastic.
Now it's time to do the boiler service, what we came here to do the job for. See you later, guys. I can't believe that 2 people have had those in a week. Are the instructions in
There's no English, it's all pictures. It's picture dictionary.
Hold up.
Yeah.
Performance 55 square metres could clean all of the floors in a flat. Not that I'm saying you need to. I tell you what, if one of my customers looked like that, I reckon she'd have a cleaner. So I'm undoing this screw because I'm going to put it there so that it falls down. The reason being is that because I think that that's dislodged. Turn the power back on. We'll see if this turns. So the motor's not turning, look. Yeah, so the motor on this is, yeah, it moves to the boiler, which heats up the coil, which then in essence heats up the hot water that the coil is placed within, and that goes to your taps. So that's not. Should be. Yeah, give me a minute. Yep, it's all good. Yay! Life is good again.